Hello beautiful people, I'm here with another delicacy. Here I have minced meat and medium onions. Grate the onions or use onion powder. And we go in with garlic, dry or fresh, beef seasoning, salt, breadcrumb, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and we mix together. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're my subscriber, my old subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. I am very grateful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interesting delicacies. And I'll be using my hand to mix to make sure it's properly mixed together. And here I have parsley. This is totally optional. We have to mix the parsley if you are using parsley with the mixed meat. I will suggest you slice the parsley first before mixing. And let's mold. If your pan feels greasy, spray or rub oil on it. All done. Let's get frying. I'm using sunflower oil. At the beginning, let the oil to be very hot. But after putting all the meatballs in the oil, reduce the heat, which I forgot to do, and my meat got brown so quickly and inside was still fresh, which I didn't like. Oh, don't forget to reduce yours. In my pan, I went in with oil and tomato paste. Keep stirring because tomato paste has the tendency of burn every time. till it turned purple. You said it purple. Pebble. Yeah, it's called pebble. I don't know if that's a right example, but till it turned this way. And I went in with my tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. And we're not using much seasoning, just using salt, because the meat already have enough seasoning. I cooked mine for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes on a low heat, I went in with my meatballs, stir together, make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and I cover on a low heat again for 5 minutes for the tomato moist to get into the meat. And there you have it. Your meatballs are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.